see it. Say hey. See, it got a slush. Just pull it. Yeah, there we go. Thank you, sir. Oh. So we're outside. It's hot as hell. It's like 100 degrees out here. And I wanted to come have lunch with Sid. But the propane is not working. So I have to tell them, the office, what's going on. I'm hot as hell. It's too hot for this. Sydney's in the pool. And I'm hot. Well, I told the office and that the propane is out. They sent somebody within like 3 minutes. So he came out here to really make sure because, you know, and he was like, dang. I was like, ooh, we love the grill out here, huh? But he's coming back with the propane. I dipped my feet in the water. It feels good. I still got on my glasses, not letting them go. Maybe I should super glue them. All right. Did y'all hear that new Beyonce single? You won't break my soul, or you won't break me. You won't break my soul. I really love listening to it. It's like it's giving me like, I don't want to say disco, but it's giving me 90s bop, 90s like bold music, I guess. I don't know. But I asked Sydney, I was like, ooh, this is for the aunties, you know. And I asked Sydney because I wanted to know if she would like it, you know, because I felt like it's for the older generation. But Sydney said she loved it. So I'm like, okay. Oh, here he is. Thank you. Got a new one. You want me to put it back? You gonna leave it there? And well, it's gonna melt. Okay. You don't want it to melt. Just let me know, and then I'll bring it back to you. Just got her hair done now. Well, it's okay. It's the summer. We gotta live it up. What kind of slushie is that?
The raspberry slush, and then add vanilla to it.
We thought it was supposed to be blue. Well, we told them blue raspberry, but
It's fine.
all good. Thank you. Have a good day. There we go. Okay, so I marinated some. How can I prop y'all up? I marinated some beef the other day. Oh yes, it smells good. I can't get inside of here. I marinated some beef in a browning sauce. What? Woo! Okay, he didn't put all the eyes on. Let's come bring it up here. I don't need all of them, boy. I'm gonna just use one side. And then we just go put it on low. Yes, he got it smoking for me. Okay, so I marinated meat. It's nice and marinated brown because I put like browning sauce on it. Oh, I gotta let it warm up some more. So we're gonna let this warm up and then I'll come back. I'm letting the grill warm up. All right. You gonna make this up? I gotta put my shoes back on because I cannot. Huh?
Did anybody taste the chicken?
No. There's our lunch, and the meat can double over for dinner as well. But our kebabs, it has like a butter seasoning on it, and these other things. So, yeah. Who's barking? Oh my god. Oh wait, it's on me.
I was gonna mess it up.
Why? City did a backflip.
Yeah.
Look how beautiful the sky is with the clouds and trees. So beautiful. Sydney, show me your backflip.
It takes me a
It's okay. She's learning how to do a backflip, so she found a way. I was in there helping her flip. Now she found a way to do it another.
No, I didn't do it.
Okay, do it again. Take your time. You got it. Yes! Good job. She taught herself. Well, not, you know. Please turn off the gas. And I'm making sure. I turned it off already, but I'm ensuring I turned it off. No, what, little girl? Why is that so funny to you? Which part? Why is that so funny to you? Why is that so funny to you? Which part was so funny? When he acted like he had a seizure? Or when he almost knocked down the... Girl, good night.